insightful ideas and words of wisdom, especially to Sheikh Saab.
I am watching different people, different professionals are coming on your channel, and it's really one of its unique channel, which is covering the different areas and the part of the life which a common person need to be aware. A lot of programs related to the medical sciences, awareness, and how the people they can get the job, how the people they can get the benefit of this channel. So these are really the noble causes which someone should take the initiative. So Shaikhain has taken this channel, and it's the second anniversary of the Shaikhain channel. So I want to congratulate, and I want good wishes for your success and good future for the channel. So
I'm following the Shaikhain channel since the day it was inaugurated. I recommend Shaikhain channel as it is working for the betterment of the society. Please like and subscribe.